Now at 5:30, a business that brings in millions to our local economy takes a hit. New numbers from the CDC show Florida reported more than 17,000 new coronavirus cases yesterday, an increase of about 1,500 from the day before. The 7-day rolling average around 14,000. The uptick comes as many businesses were hoping to recoup losses after they were forced to shut down during the pandemic. The Orange County Convention Center saw a number of cancellations a little more than a year ago, and now it just lost a big event. News 6's Lauren Cervantes is there with the impacts.
Just over a year ago, Mayor Jerry Deming said that the Orange County Convention Center saw an economic loss of $734 million due to the cancellation of 32 shows. Now, in July of last year, they opened up and they've been up and running ever since. But with the recent surge in COVID cases, the convention center says they've now had a cancellation of a conference that was expected to bring in about $12 million in economic impact. Can the convention center afford to take a hit, a loss like that?
So we did learn just a day or so ago that one event is canceling. That's our first event that is either canceled for quite some time. So we've had a number of events either relocate or decide to doing anything. And matter of fact, this event was scheduled to meet with us in April of this year, and they moved to August, then ultimately determined they were going to go virtual for 2021.
The conference was AORNs, or the Association of Perioperative Registered Nurses. And the reason? The dramatic surge in cases. According to their website, a message reads in part, quote, "Florida has become the epicenter of the COVID-19 pandemic in the U.S." Adding, quote, "We do not want to potentially burden Orlando's healthcare system with an influx of almost 5,000 visitors during this public health epidemic."
One of the things that we've known and we've seen is that events that follow our that come to the convention center and follow our guidelines and develop their own strict guidelines on can do events safely.
The executive director of the Orange County Convention Center, Mark Tester, says AORN is the only cancellation he's aware of, telling us they are expected to host 78 events through the end of the year with almost 681,000 attendees, equating to $1.2 billion in economic impact.
The message is let us develop a plan that meets your needs, and if masks are something that you want to require, then we wholeheartedly support that.
Tester tells me they are continuing with the health and safety protocols, and he also says as members of Orange County, all of the employees will be getting vaccinated. In Orange County, I'm Lauren Cervantes, getting results, News 6.